Well, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is discussing the violence with the Nagpur police officials, and in this meeting the report on the investigation done so far was presented before the Chief Minister. Further discussions that are also being held on the justice system to maintain peace in the city. A separate report will be prepared on the investigation of the accused person. Let's get in a word from Shivani now. Shivani, probably this is for the first time as far as the Nagpur violence meeting that is now being held on part of the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, and this is also coming at a time when multiple arrests with multiple FIRs that have also been registered.
Well, indeed, now we are seeing that how the CM itself has come and himself is conducting this meeting with the top cops of the Nagpur, and similarly he will also be taking the review of the investigation that has happened so far, and henceforth now what is going to be the action mode for Nagpur for removing the curfew, and similarly what all sort of information have been.
Well, who instigated the violence, who provoked the violence there is something as far as when it comes to the Chief Minister himself, who had given out a stern warning saying that the culprits and the perpetrators would be even pulled up from the grave, and this is something as far as the Chief Minister is holding and discussing the meetings there with the top officials, with the top cops there, with what is now being said over the report that he has sought on the investigation that has been done so far, and it is being presented before the Chief Minister himself. Devendra Fadnavis there saying that there is an importance to maintain peace in the city, and there is going to be a separate report that will be prepared on the investigation of the accused there that is also being done. So over 80 of those arrests that have so far been done by the officials, by the police there, as investigation that continues with the CCTV footages that are also being scanned to identify when it comes to those who were responsible in the violence and arson, and also when it comes to the arrests there, over 80 of them that has been done, and around 10 FIRs that have now been registered by the police. So all of that report that is now been submitted to the Chief Minister himself, Devendra Fadnavis, and there's a meeting that is taking place. He's getting the first-hand information from the Nagpur police officials. So those pictures that are now coming in of this meeting.